there is a two possibilities of this and two main things that child is smoking because the parent is giving money to the child, and also he also study in my school. He is in bigger class. So in my school the teachers are checking bags of students to don't get away, because in the government school the most of the students fight each other, so they check their bag for the compass, for some type of sharp thing. And why do they not snatch money from the children? Because the who knows the children is using money for some bad kind of things, and also the parents is giving money to the child. It's also a big problem. And also the parents would give money when the child is get mature, and the parents should also teach him out what kind of side effects of is smoking under 18, what type of side effects of it.
So if a child gets caught by smoking or by the parents, they realize it mistake later. So first thing, their mistake is that his father or her father will also smoke or doing any bad thing.
Front of him.
Yes, front of him or her. So the child thinks, oh, that this is a good thing because my father is also doing this, so he also tries this. And the second thing, that is the child see on the shop that, oh, this is also a new thing, I should take this, and he take this, and the shopkeeper also gave him the
Every single people smoking in the footpath, in our neighborhoods, in our roadsides. So first we have to stop them. Please stop and say no to drugs or alcohol or smoking. So that's why people don't try to smoking or alcohol. But in the society, if they started the smoking, so that people's or children's also started the smoking or alcohol by the people. Thank you.
I want to add some more points in it, like the salesman. Why the salesman give the cigarette to the child? Salesman should make type of rule in his shop. The above 18, the people
will be given.
Will
But
be given.
there is a rule. But even though they break the rule, why?
So the government should make another rule to give more penalty, take penalty from the salesman, and also detention to the child, and also detention to the salesman.
So you have asked a question just now. I have an answer. The most probably the child will say this, that my father is asking for a cigarette, can you please give me? And if there is a word of father, the shopkeeper must give the cigarette to the child, but the child is not giving that cigarette to his or her father. He or she is using that cigarette for her own use.
Thank you.
And government are also not stopping that thing, that say no to drugs, and because they are not stopping because they need only money. They need only money, and salesmen also need only money.